Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are comparing two of the most popular tools in project management. Whether you're tracking projects, collaborating with your team, or just trying to keep life in order, both offer some serious flexibility. So how do they stack up? Which one is the better for your workflow? Is it gonna be Airtable or Trello? In this video, we are breaking down the key features, strengths, and of course some limitations of both platforms. So let's begin. To begin with, Airtable is a cloud-based collaboration platform that combines the functionality of a spreadsheet with a database, because it allows users to create and manage databases with an easy-to-use, visually appealing interface. Now, signing up for a free account here is a breeze because all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. If you are new to our channel, we have covered Airtable so many times in the past that you might want to check on our channel. If you haven't already, just click on the subscribe button to get notifications on our latest content, because we are here to help you solve your problems quickly. Once you are logged into your account, you will be welcomed with a clean and intuitive interface. From here, you can create your first workspace by building your first base here. And of course, you can be creative. You can customize the looks and the feel of your dashboard. You can create tables with different fields like text, attachments, multiple, select, currency, links, and a lot more. Now you have an option for the datas that can be viewed in various formats such as grid, calendar, gallery, Kanban, timeline, list, Gantt, and a lot more. You could also have an option for the forms, wherein you can build your own forms from scratch, or you can use the template, which is really good for getting feedbacks from certain surveys. Right here, you have all these platform templates under your perusal. Now, in terms of the integration, Airtable integrates well with various apps and third-party applications such as Slack, Google Workspaces, GitHub, Jira, Miro, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, and a lot more. All right. They have the API that has powerful capabilities that allows users to integrate Airtable with platforms and custom workflow. And of course, most of the time, Airtable is popular for use cases ranging from project management and inventory tracking to content planning and of course, product development. Now let's over to our next contender, which is going to be Trello, which is similarly to Airtable is a popular user-friendly project management and collaboration tool based on the Kanban board system. It allows users to organize tasks visually using boards, lists, and cards, making it easy to track projects and workflows. Similarly to Airtable, signing up for a free account here is a breeze. All you have to do is sign up using these options. You can use your Google, your Microsoft, Apple, even your Slack account, because they seamlessly integrate well. If you have your business or professional email, it's also welcomed. After signing up for an account, you would have a simple and intuitive interface. It has a highly visualized and easy to use drag and drop functionality, and its card-based layout make it approachable for new users and teams of all sizes. You have all of these templates. You can browse the full template gallery. For example, I'm going to choose the lean, maybe tier list, or maybe I don't know. Let's look for this template right here. Now you can use this template for various types of project, from task management to tracking product development. I'm going to name this as Airtable versus Trello. Wait for it because it's gonna load all your default setup. You have all these cards, all right, that can be tailored to fit different workflows. For example, I'm going to add in something here. I'm gonna press enter. I can have that edited. I can open the card, edit labels, change members, which is really good for collaboration and communication. If you click that, you can add comments, you can add members, all right? You have also the labels and checklist. There's a lot that you can work with. I'm going to open the card so we can have more control. You can customize all the information here and put in some image. As you can see, this is going to be really handful in terms of the real-time collaboration, making it easy for distributed teams to work together. All right. Not only that, Trello has various power-up integrations. If you hover down here on the power-up section, okay, click on the add power-ups. There's a lot of integration tools that you can work with, right? And now this allows users to extend the functionality of their boards. And of course, a robust automation to make your life easier and efficient. All right. Now, in terms of the task management, it's really easy to simply create and move tasks. You can drag it here. You can move it here, which is excellent for managing straightforward projects without a lot of complexity. Now, let's go to the pricing because Trello's free plan, if you go to the pricing, is quite generous because it offers unlimited personal boards right here and lists with basic features like due dates and task assignments. The paid plan starts at $5 per user per month and offer more advanced functionality like more power-ups, automation, and larger attachments. You see that? And of course, if you wanted to scale up, you might want to try the premium, which is going to be $10 per month. And the enterprise starts at $17.50. If you hover to the Airtable, okay, similarly to Trello, it offers a free plan with limited features. All right, so you have to be aware of it, like this one. And the paid plan starts at $20 per seat per month. All right. Although the free version provides essential functionality, but some advanced features such as record linking, additional views, and more storage require the paid plans from team, business, and of course the enterprise, which may be a make or break kind of a deal for you. All right. Not only we have so many Airtable topics in our channel, we covered Trello as well, right here. So we have a handful of experience between the two platforms. Now, let me tell you that if you need a highly flexible tool for organizing and managing data, especially if your project requires relational data handling, custom views, or complex workflows, it's excellent for organizing anything from content calendars to CRMs. I highly suggest you use Airtable. But if you're looking for a simple, intuitive tool to manage tasks and projects using a Kanban style board, I highly suggest you choose Trello because it has a great solution for teams that need straightforward task management and collaboration without a steep learning curve. All right. And the question is, are you leaning more towards organizing data or managing tasks visually? Because that can help determine the better fit. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next video.